And we're live. Remember to make no snorting noises, coughing, or gagging. Let's open this thing up. You're going to know when I do if this worked out. Well, there's the second distributor back. And what do we got here? All right. I don't know how I did this, but we're going in. There's the old one, and there's the new one. By golly. It looks right. All right. I'm not sure how good. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. All right. I'll grab the original distributor and slide it on the shaft, see how that fits. Hold on. And we're back. Well, here's the original distributor. I'll hold that up there. It's a little loose, but I knew that was going to be. But I think what I'm going to do when I put this back together is use some thread lock on it. But it's good. I'm happy. And it lines up. Not sure if you can see through, but it's in the right spot. And for how much that vehicle is going to get used, this is going to be just fine. All right. There's that part of it. Then I'll add in the repaired distributor, and then me putting it back in the truck and in the Jeep, and I'm going to see if it'll run and how much play and all that good kind of stuff. So I'll be back with that. Okay. Well, here are the parts. Clean them up with a little lacquer thinner. I am going to apply some blue thread lock. Let's see. All right. I don't want to be able to not take this apart if I have to for some reason. I don't know. It'd be nice not to have to. I'm going to move you up here. There we go. Little thread lock on there. There we go. Fresh out of Napa this afternoon. All right. It's going to want to go up there. I don't really want it up in there. Do I? No. I'll just keep wiping it off. try. I don't know. I suppose the guy could pour some down the... I'm not going to worry about it too much. All right. Let's see, do I have some kind of a hammer? Here's the roll pin. And actually, this is not, the roll pin is not stock. This is an aftermarket. Let's see what we got here. I'll let my hand take the abuse. See if I can keep from buggering up that. That's it. The original roll pin is peened on both ends, but I ran this roll pin in the old one for a season, and it stayed just fine, so we're good. The only other thing I noticed is when I was playing with this top cap piece is loose, so I'm going to have to go in there and see what's going on there. That's the cam for the points. And I tried putting a Phillips on this, a Phillips screwdriver on the Phillips head that holds this in. It seems like it was tight, so I'll have to take a little peek in there and see if I'm missing something. If there's supposed to be an extra flat washer under there, or... Huh. It doesn't seem right to me that that should move up and down. I should look on that other distributor. Am I getting in trouble? I'm probably getting in trouble doing this. How about if I could just... Look at the rustiness that gets going in there again. These are supposed to be vented, these distributors. And this one was all plugged off, and this thing was just as red as that washer is right there. All over in there. So, all right.